Yes, this is the final testing of the Shopsmith Power Pro after the replacement motor has been installed. Machine belonged to Mr. Morris, and we start the test with the actual power up of the unit. Unit powered up. Going through the initial test. Standard operation at 5 RPM. We start the operation at 5 RPM. Forward speed at 500. Test pass. Test confirmed. We go up to 900. Test pass, test confirm. We go up to 13 and machine is 1350. Test pass, test confirm. Go to 2000. Now the machine wants it to confirm. The machine is running at 2000 RPM. Test pass, test confirm. We taken it up to 3450. Confirm. Test pass, test confirmed, and we're gonna go to 9500 and above. On, test confirm. Test pass, test confirmed. We're gonna go back to 900. We're gonna do a reverse and we're gonna run it. Reverse confirm. We're gonna go to 2000 in reverse. Confirm. That concludes our final testing of the Shopsmith Power Pro. Thank you.